In front of me is POCO F4, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using. In my case, it is Google Chrome. Then click on More icon and click on History right here. As you can see, you've got clear browsing data at the top of the list, so smoothly mark it. And now you've got basic and advanced options. So just mark those that you would like to remove, pick your time range, and tap on Clear Data. And that's it. As you can see, the history is clean now, so there is no longer any passwords, website, and so on. And then you can create it from scratch. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.